Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Curry in a Hurry. आज संडे है तो आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग पनीर भुर्जी. फटाफट फ्रिज से टमाटर, कैप्सिकम एंड प्याज लिए. Usually for my quick recipes, I chop these vegetables in a chopper, which takes less than 10 seconds and makes the cooking look easy. वैसे cooking का सबसे बड़ा pain is chopping, right? And I'm making this paneer for 2 people, so 80 to 100 grams of paneer is enough, जिसको मैंने chopper में crush कर दिया. And I'm going to cook this in my non-stick pan, जिसमें मैंने start किया by adding some ghee, जीरा, green chilies, onions, थोड़ा garlic को grate किया और फिर tomato puree and capsicum add कर दिया. Let it cook for a few minutes, after which I'm going to add some spices like some salt, लाल मिर्ची powder, धनिया powder, गरम मसाला, and इनके बिना लगता है कि इंडियन खाना अधूरा है. I'm going to put the main ingredient, which is our crushed paneer. Mix it properly so that पूरा मसाला अच्छे से stick हो जाए. Add some water and थोड़ा सा milk to add a creamy texture and let it cook for some time. You can garnish with coriander and kasuri methi, which is my personal favorite. And here you go, your paneer bhurji is ready, which you can enjoy with garam garam pav. See you in my next video. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.